What does 1 divided by infinity really mean? Well, let's cross multiply and see what happens. 0 means just 1 minus 1. This is the same as infinity minus infinity, right? Which in turn is the same as 1 equals 0, which is so weird. Let's again start with this freaking stuff. Move the negative infinity to left side. Adding 1 to infinity is still infinity, right? But this is definitely true and still works in absolute reality. But why is it really failing? Let's fix it. The infinity problems are dealt with using limit concepts. 1 over infinity is ridiculous and acceptable. However, the correct way to write such problems is this. Here it does, the limit of 1 over x as x approaches infinity is 0. There are two limits we know so far, the right hand limit and the left hand limit. If both limits are equal, then we say that the limit of 1 over x as x approaches infinity exists. Let's go back to this stuff again. If you divided both sides by 0 just to see what happens, you would get this. But this is not actually the correct solution for it. When you evaluate the two limits as x approaches 0 from either left or right, you'll end up with plus or minus infinity. Since the two limits are not equal, we say that the limit doesn't exist, which is why we say that 1 over 0 is undefined.